Now let me make use of color replacement tool. As the name suggests, it helps in changing the color in the part of the image which is available. Let us change the color of the spectacles here. Let us zoom in a little bit. Now I'll be increasing the size of the brush. As we have already selected this color here, we'll see that we'll be coloring the specs with the color. As you can see, it colors only on the red region, as first we have started coloring on the red part itself. It doesn't spread outside. So here you go. You successfully changed the color of these spectacles available here.